Shake it, and if you hear this sound like go bend your back, go bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Hey y'all, what's up everybody? Okay, we in Miami turning up another notch. Girl, what's up? Good morning. I woke up at like 10:30 this morning. Last night I got in pretty late. I did my whole skincare routine. I'm always so proud of myself when I come in late and still do my skincare routine. Like, that's a bad. Okay, do not go to sleep in your makeup. I don't care how drunk you are, how tired you are. Take it off and take care of your skin, okay? But anyways, girl, it's 1 p.m. right now. I just finished editing a vlog that I want to post tomorrow, so you guys will see that vlog before this one. Hopefully, if it exports right, because my hard drive has been giving me trouble. Like, I'm just trying to get back to the girls. Why are you doing that? But anyways, y'all, I'm about to start getting ready to go to the beach right now. And I'm gonna take my iPad. I need to double check and make sure my iPad is charged because I'm gonna study. I have lectures on my iPad, so as long as it's charged, I'll be able to chill out in the sun and study, which I'm really excited about because I just love being beachside, okay? Poolside, I don't care about the pool. I love being by the beach. So yeah, girl, I'm about to do my makeup just a little bit, you know, so I can take some cute pictures. I'm trying to decide what bikini I want to wear because I have one that's really cute, but if I get tan lines in that, I'm gonna be pissed off because it's gonna be an X and a crisscross on my back. But I don't think today is gonna be a crazy tan day because it's really cloudy, so I don't think I'm gonna get an intense tan with a whole bunch of tan lines anyways. So I think I'll wear the cuter one today with the crisscross and everything, and then the little mini skimpy tiny one that's gonna give me the cutest little crisp perfect tan lines tomorrow because tomorrow's supposed to be really, really sunny. I've been wanting a tan so bad, y'all. I was actually this close to getting a fake tan. If you've tried a fake tan before, definitely comment down below. I just want my skin to look more gold and rich, so I was thinking of getting a fake tan. But then I said, no, I'm gonna be in Miami. Let me just get a natural tan. But if you tried it, comment it and put the girl on, okay? Let's do our makeup. Y'all, it's 1 p.m. I haven't eaten, like I'm freaking starving. Yesterday we went to the store and picked up some snacks for the room. So I'm thinking about making one of these frozen meals I bought. You see this? What does it say? Cook from what? Cook, wait, hold on. Hold on, what does it say? Peel back corner, film to vent. Cook on high for 5 minutes, stir and recover. Cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Check that food is cooked thoroughly, handle carefully, it's hot. That's like a whole lot of steps. Like, that's a lot of steps. Am I gonna eat this though? I don't know. A girl doesn't know. I'm just a girl. It's so pretty outside. I really just wanna stay by the beach all day. That's all I wanna do is stay by the beach. Okay, y'all, what does it say? Cook on high for 5 minutes. Cool. It says peel this back. Oh, peel back corner. Ugh, peel back corner. Yikes. How many minutes? How many minutes? 5, okay. 5 minutes. She's in there, and now we can start our makeup. One thing I hate about this bathroom, let me stop, hold on. Like, let me wait till I'm done with this to talk. Okay. Y'all, the one thing I hate about this bathroom is this yellow ass lighting. Like, this is so annoying. There's not one single white light in here. How are the girls supposed to do their makeup with all this yellow light? Yesterday, I was really struggling, but you know, I always beat a face down. Like, it really didn't matter. But I was like, this lighting is shit. I should have brought my own little light, but whatever. I already overpacked. Like, I brought way too much clothes. Way too many things. My bag is heavy as hell. What is the Wi-Fi? Give me the password to the NYI. Come on. I can't think. I'm overstimmed. What do I need to do? Oh, I need to put my hotspot on for my computer. I need a Mai Tai. So inside, bye. Give me the password to the NY. Bye.
She don't believe in shooting stars, but she believes in shooting cars. I'm loving up, the trips to Florida.
Hey y'all, so I just finished my makeup. I'm eating this little meal that I made right now. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's like, what are you gonna do, you know? What can you do? I'm so hungry, like I can literally inhale this thing, like. I took some mirror pictures just now. My camera battery is charging, and I was like, damn, because it's charging. I can't even, hold on. I can't focus, y'all. I was like, oh my gosh, because it's charging. I can't even go through the photos, but I have my memory card adapter, so I can. I couldn't find it last night. It was buried at the bottom of my bag. Fuck, I'm hungry. I'm literally hungry while I'm eating. I'm so hungry. Outfit of the day, y'all.
Okay.
I have on these gold heels. Are they seeing all of me? Okay, now paint it back up. They don't have to look at my feet for that long. I have on gold heels, black capris from Zara, this top from Public Desire, and then my clutches from Amazon.
Very cute, very demure. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I have a little key.
Cause it's on, turn on the radio, baby. I'll turn you on. Just make sure you ready, baby. Cause I'm down for anything. Tell me when you ready, baby. Timing is everything. Tell me when you ready, baby. Cause you know when it's so. You know, I need it.
I'm mad pretty. I'm mad pretty. Like, the makeup today is tea.
I think what happened. It's a gray Nissan. Is it down there, sir?
Okay. Yeah, let's go. I think it's down there.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Y'all, what's up? We in the city. Y'all know I love to sing. I love a good tune. Honestly, but this trip has told me, like, I need to make some money. I need to make it fast. They getting in the Rolls Royce, we getting in the Nissan. I need that. Oh my gosh. No, seriously. We getting in the Nissan, they getting in the Rolls. I don't like that.
Car.
Like, give me a couple years.
Girl, you could not afford no damn Rolls Royce.
You'd be surprised.
Not earn money.
Oh no, not earn money. Something's gonna shake
You
though.
better open a business to do something.
No, she does. She get brand deal and stuff like that.
Something's
but
going
not
to
earn
shake.
money.
No, I fear she have other.
That's what I'm saying.
income.
Other things.
Something's gonna happen. It's just gonna work out. Has no choice but to.
Hey, Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong.
Hey y'all, we are back in Connecticut. Girl, I never thought I would be so happy to say that, but I have been all over the place these past few weeks, okay? I went to Miami, and then I went to Atlanta, and then I was in Baltimore. So I am just happy to be home, okay? Atlanta and Baltimore were strictly family trips, which is why you guys didn't see anything from that. But now that I'm home, I'm like, okay, it's time to lock in. It's time to focus. I need to stay my ass at home, okay? I don't need to go nowhere. I don't need to be outside. I don't need to be on nobody's plane. I just need to stay still and lock in for this NCLEX. This morning, I went and studied at a cafe, and then I went to the gym right after. So I feel really good and productive today. Yesterday was such a bad study day for me, y'all. Like, I was borderline in tears. I don't know exactly what it was, but I just started feeling super overwhelmed, so much anxiety. I'm like, okay, these next few weeks I'm home and have no trips planned. I just want to focus and dedicate them to studying for it so I can take it and carry on with the rest of my life, okay? This needs to be done. Like, it's enough. Enough is enough. So just went to the gym. Right now I'm actually about to run to the store because I need to pick up some frozen fruit for my protein shake. The other day I picked some up. It was so gross. Like, it was so disgusting. The fruit isn't even sweet. It was just like they dehydrated the hell out of the fruit. Like, yes, I get you freeze it, but you're not supposed to dehydrate it. It's not supposed to be like dehydrated fruit. You know when you buy dehydrated fruit in a bag and you eat it as a snack? I don't know how people eat that as a snack. But like, the fruit was not like juicy, flavorful. It was just bland and gross. Like, no. So I'm picking up some more today, and then I'll go home, make my protein shake. Definitely have to review those NCLEX stuff before I finish studying for the day, because baby, I ain't got no more time to play around. Gotta get this out the way. I need to get licensed, girl. Don't worry, you only have a few more vlogs of me worrying about this NCLEX, okay? We're gonna get it out the way. It's not giving every vlog of the summer is NCLEX, spooky. We need to take it and carry on. Anyways, let's play some music and run to the store, child. He said, I'm pretty. If you let me better get tea. That's what I wanna hear. And if he want the kid, he gotta spin it. That shit, no, he didn't.
Dropping salt.
But nigga, my image. Won't kiss it and let him hit it because he trying to start a business. Hey y'all, so we are currently in the grocery store. Not only do I have to pick up frozen fruit, but I also need to get a new breakfast option for me, because one thing about me, I will have a breakfast option that I love so much, eat it every single day until I get sick of it, and we finally got to the point where I'm sick of it. So it's time to switch it up. Before, ooh, should we do Nutella? I love a good Nutella fix. So while we're at it, let me tell you guys what my recent breakfast fixes have been, okay? So for the longest, it was Greek yogurt, frozen fruit, and granola. I was eating that every single morning. I think the thought of it now makes me gag. Like, I can't do that. Then I love a good eggs moment, okay? That really never gets old, but I just don't have the energy to make eggs every morning. And now, I don't know, I'm feeling a good cream cheese, strawberry cream cheese at that, on a bagel. I think that will be good for the next few weeks until I get tired of that too. But I can't find the strawberry cream cheese, so honestly now I'm leaning more towards Nutella. I think I have to do this every year. Like, at least once a year, I'm addicted to Nutella all over again until it makes me gag. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody is amazing, as am I, because guess who passed their NCLEX? Thank you. First try, 85 questions. I passed my exam on Monday. Today is Wednesday. I took it on August 4th. I was actually so scared, y'all. Like, I was so nervous, but I felt pretty confident going into it, and for good reason, because your girl passed. Y'all, right now we're actually getting ready to dye my hair. But it's been a few days since I took my test, and honestly, it's such a surreal feeling to be done. Like, what do you mean I don't need to study anymore and do 100 practice questions a day? Dang it. I cannot believe it. Like, I just dropped it on my white carpet. No, whatever. Like, we did it, Joe. We really did it, Joe. I am officially a registered nurse. Y'all, it's been like 2 weeks since I last clipped me after the gym where I was feeling so crazy about this exam, but it's over now, okay? I told y'all I was gonna come home and lock in. I meant that. We did exactly that, trust me. This video originally was supposed to just be a weekly vlog, and it's gonna end up being a realistic days of my life vlog because it's all over the place. Like, I've been checking in once a week, pretty much. Okay, girl, so when I first put these bundles in my head, I dyed them, right? I dyed them jet black. I'm always using my Revlon dye. The blue black one is my favorite one. I dyed them, but for some reason with this hair, the dye doesn't stick that well. And it's so weird because it sticks really well with all my other bundles, but this one, it just doesn't do it. It always ends up running out. So I'm gonna dye it again. I was gonna use that Adore dye, but if this Revlon dye isn't sticking, I know the Adore dye isn't gonna do shit, okay? The Adore dye is trash. So I'm literally about to dye the bundles while they're still in my head because I just cannot with that tint of brown in it. I hate when my bundles have that 1B shade. I'm sorry, I just can't do it. So it needs to be dyed. Hopefully I can get like a nice thorough application. Not even jet black, blue black. As dark as it gets. It's like midnight. That's what I need. I gotta make sure I put this on with the gloves and that I rinse it out with the gloves because black on the nails is no joke. I feel like dyeing bundles when they're in your head is so unhinged. Like, what the f am I really doing right now? Usually when I dye my bundles, I watercolor it, so I wonder if me going in like this is gonna help it stick a little bit more to the bundles. No shade if you like 1B though. If 1B works for you and you like it, if you like it, I love it. But on me, I hate it. Oh my gosh, can y'all believe I'm a nurse? I'm a nurse. Like, and it showed off in 85 questions that, okay, so if you don't know about the NCLEX, I think it goes from 85 to 150 questions. I didn't even want to find out how far it goes because I didn't want to stress myself out before the exam. So I think it's 85 to 150. And the way it works is it shuts off when it's 95% sure that you either passed or failed. So when it's 95% sure that you passed, it'll shut off. When it's 95% sure that you failed, it shuts off. It's a computerized adaptive test. If you get a question right, it'll throw you a harder question. If you get a question wrong, it'll throw you something easier. And if you're kind of bobbing up and down, it's gonna throw you some questions that are right in the middle. Trying to gauge where you are. And it's a safety test. Can you be a safe nurse? Are you gonna do something that can potentially harm your patient? So with mine shutting off at 85 questions, that means I didn't even have to answer nothing else more than the minimum because it knew that I was gonna be a safe nurse. It was 95% sure that I passed and I was straight. Obviously, the question amount doesn't really matter. If you pass, you pass, but it did feel a little good. And then if you fail, you have to wait 45 days to take the test again. So I was like, oh no, 45 days is a long time. A month and a half pretty much to take the test again? No, I couldn't do a month and a half of stressing, baby. I got a vacation in 3 weeks. Like, it was not gonna be no room to be stressed. Okay, y'all, so we just rinsed the dye out. I literally had it in for like an hour. It's looking pretty good. Y'all, these bundles are from Shy Girl Extensions on Instagram, spelled CHI Girl Extensions. I did pay for these bundles with my own money. This is actually my second time purchasing these. I got these bundles last summer as well. I do like the hair and it's pretty low maintenance, so if you're looking for some curly bundles, check these out. My code is MKM. I'll put it in the description box for you guys too. The only thing that I will say about these bundles is what I've noticed both times is that the curl pattern does loosen up over time. I'm not sure why that is. I'm trying to figure it out, but I don't know. It just does get a little bit looser. Like when I first bought this, the curls were a little bit more spiral-like, and now, as you can see, it's like really loose. You'll see it better when it dries, because this isn't a good representation of the curl pattern, honestly. Now, once a week, I'll totally go in and saturate the hair with water, and then I'll put this mousse in it. I try not to do too much with this mousse because I don't like that super shiny look to it. I just don't think it looks natural. So I'll just go and scrunch the curls with some product on my hands. Then I'll just go in and diffuse it. I know some people say use cool heat. I literally use the highest heat setting because it's curly hair. I don't care if it gets a little bit frizzy. So I'll go in with super hot heat. So I just finished diffusing my hair. This week I wanted bigger hair, so I didn't really put too much mousse. I didn't go in and define the curls. I just left them as is. I did a mix of diffusing it and air drying it, and this is kind of what we got right now. Some pieces are still a little bit damp, so I'm trying not to do too much to it. But this is gonna be the vibe. Look how dark it is, y'all. I'm so happy. Like, this feels like me. Hey y'all, we are in bed, and you know what that means. It's time to wrap up this vlog, which I'm actually so ready to do. As much as I love this vlog, I'm so ready to wrap it up because I feel like it's the end of the chapter now. You know, like I passed my NCLEX, I did my test. It's time to move on into the next chapter and the next vlog, which I am so excited for. So I just want to say thank you guys for all of your support. All the congratulation messages that I got was like so overwhelming. I was so filled with love and joy and gratitude for each of you guys that were congratulating me. Thank you guys for all the support on this journey I've been on. Some of you were literally following me when I first got accepted into the program and first started the nursing program and had to chop off my nails. Like, that is so crazy me. So I just really want to say thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the love and support. And with that being said, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.